Oh, what's going on, everybody? JP here with Wander to Get Lost, and in today's video it's going to be a quick RV fix. So let me show you what I got going on and how we're going to fix it. And I apologize for the wind. It's howling. It's like 20 miles an hour. So, water inlet. When we came here to Jordana's parents, we tried to hook up and this was totally snapped. So it's pretty useless, can't use it. The previous owners also had this little angle in here with an on-off, which I really liked. I just didn't like how it was angled, so we're going to switch that out as well. A couple of little screws here, 1, 2. We're going to remove those to remove this piece. And then underneath, I don't know if you can see all the way up there, there's the coupler where the water goes in. And I already unscrewed that, so that was pretty easy. It just hand unscrewed, and we're just going to hand tighten it back on. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to remove this and then put the new one in. So let me show you what I got. So here's the replacement. Got this online. You can see the plastic and same thing, and it's got pretty much the exact same thing. And it is the same thing. Look at that. Alright, and then I'm going to replace this guy with a right angle, just so that the hose comes straight down and actually goes through here. This, I guess 40, this, I guess it's a 30, I'm not really sure. The hose would come off and I wouldn't be able to close this door. So we're going to change this to a 90 and be all set. So this is a 45, duh. Alright, let's take this out. This is the, I guess, the gasket or the O-ring that was inside here, and you can see it's kind of warped and everything, so that's it for that one. And that's where it was snapped, right there. So, got the new one. Here's my right angle. I'm going to pre-fit this in there. This little thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little plumber's tape around the threading, just a little bit, not a lot. And then you always go with the direction of how it's going to be threaded. So obviously going on, it's righty-tighty, so you go in the right direction, so that way when you thread it on, you don't lose your plumbing tape, so everything goes on good. Alright, that's it, just a little bit. Alright, I'm just gonna put this back in and then screw it down. Alright, so now I have to retighten that coupler underneath. So we're going to do that. Alright, let's show you how that looks. Alright, so right there you can see it's all set. I just hand tightened it. Yeah, so it looks pretty good. Alright, so that's now our new setup. So I'm going to connect the hose and then turn on the water and check for leaks, and we should be good. Let's give it a try. Alright, so we recently upgraded to the 0G hose. It's actually really cool. I'm probably going to do a review on it later, but it's definitely, I think, a better hose. It's so light It's so flexible. So this is actually our first time using it. This is actually what I was going for. So now the hose comes straight down right into the opening, and I'll be able to close our RV panel door. The good thing is I actually got 2 extra seals, and what I'll do is I'll link to the water inlet and to the right angle that I got on Amazon, and I'll put that in the description below. Let's go turn on the water and see if we got any leaks. Alright, I got pressure in, so there's no leaks here at the hose site, no leaks into here. I haven't opened this up, so we're going to do it slowly. Oh, that's not good. So I got a leak coming out the back. Stand by. Alright, so I just realized there is no gasket or ring inside this end, so I'm gonna take the old one and put it in there and see if that makes a difference, because it's the exact same one. I don't know why it didn't come with an O-ring. Alright, we're gonna try this again. So I just tried it again and it leaked again. So now I'm putting the little rubber seal gasket on this end first, and then I'm gonna now seat this and try it this way and see if that works. Alright, moment of truth, take 3. I actually remembered I had a little special wrench that you need. I guess it's made by Flare It. It's got the small end and the large end, so I use that to tighten it down. So, alright, hopefully this works. Alright, no leaks. Our shower is leaking, and that's my next project, is I have to replace this whole shower setup, so don't mind that. I gotta somehow turn that off. Kill the power on that. We should have water inside the house now. But I'm good, no leaks there. Check it out. Alright. So, no leaks. No leaks out here, and I'm pretty psyched about this setup. Alright, so the other cool thing now is, look at that. It closes flat and I can actually lock it. So everything worked out. I'm really psyched about this new setup. I kind of tightened this down a little bit, so that's better. The air kind of went through the whole system. But I got to replace this next because this has been leaking since like last year. Alright everybody, that's it for this video. So I learned a valuable, important lesson. Well, good thing I didn't throw away that little gasket piece that was inside the end here. So the third time after I made my mistakes, I put the little gasket fitting inside the coupler fitting first, then I put this on and tightened it. And then I also used my Flare It tool to kind of crank it down to make sure it was nice and snug, didn't over tighten it. So everything is good. There's no water leaks. I'm really happy with how this whole setup is now working. The 90-degree angle fitting is a huge game changer as opposed to this 45-degree one, because now my hose runs straight down and I can close this cabinet. So today is March 26th. We're on day 4 of full-time RVing. We're still mooch docking at Jordana's parents. We have a bunch of maintenance things that we're working on for the RV, trying to bang those out over this weekend, and we'll probably be heading out to our first campsite sometime next week. My last day of work is the 31st of March, and then after that we'll be free and clear to start heading out on our adventures. Alright, if this video helped you out, please hit the thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you on the next video.